Didn't know how I'd get through, but somehow I made it through. People